Anyway, the fucking mayor, president, and what's that Muslim guy that we just hired? I don't know his name. Anyway, it's right. He's the mayor, right? Kohan, whoever the fuck he is. These niggas, all of them is talking about stay the fuck in, and y'all still talking about going to the club. Oh, you want to go get a drink? No. Y'all don't give a fuck about staying home, huh? Y'all hate your house, and I hate that for y'all. I'm not going outside to die with you. No. Let them have fun. Arrivederci. Guess we won't be seeing you anymore.